Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello there and welcome again to remote best home work from home job just for you. So today we have this customer service and care associate at Usable Life, and it pays $18 an hour, but must work Central Standard Time hours. It is a full-time position, and you must complete the pre-employment assessment after submission of the online application resume to be considered. We are looking and searching for customer care associates with experience in insurance and benefits to join our dynamic team at Usable Life. Do you enjoy being able to make meaningful difference in the lives of others? Are you an adept problem solver with outstanding people skills? If you answer yes, this role might be the perfect fit for you. As a value contributor to the customer care team, you have the chance to provide peace of mind when our customers need it the most. So what they offer to you is a culture that values employees and celebrates, empowers, and inspires a diverse workforce. Pay starting at a minimum of $18 an hour with a perfect attendance award up to $1,700 annually, $3,000 sign-on bonus, outstanding and affordable benefits packaging including medical, dental, vision, and company HSA contribution in 31 days or less. Great hours Monday through Friday, no evenings, weekends, or holidays. 401k with up to a 6% match that is fully vested from day one. PTO provided on date to start plus 11 paid holidays. Yearly performance bonus, remote opportunity with company provided equipment, paid 4-week training, team-oriented collaborative group of peers, career advancement opportunities, tuition reimbursement, wellness program, and this is a remote position. So what they do, they're committed to delivering the best insurance products for our customers, invested in the success of our team members, engaged as a diverse group of individuals working together to go the extra mile, recognized as a multi-year best places to work by our Kansas business. What you'll do is demonstrate in both word and action a high quality of care, service, and accountability, communicate professionally and empathically to make it easy for members and employers to understand and access their benefits, exhibit our commitment to providing peace of mind, ensure we remain the preferred choice for employers, insurance agents, and brokers in our distribution network. Your essential duties will be provide an exceptional service by listening, understanding, and demonstrating empathy for the caller's needs and situation. Review and proficiently explain coverage provision, claim statuses, and claim decisions. Navigate multiple computer systems as sources of customers' information to answer inquiries. Troubleshoot claims and investigate payment discrepancies. Demonstrate proficiency in our products and services. Respond to questions from members, employers, and brokers regarding claims, policies, and billing requests. Maintain well-written notes on all service interactions in a customer management system, Salesforce. Require knowledge and skills and abilities. Experience working in life, health, or supplemental insurance required. Experience working in a call center environment is required. Ability to listen to the customer's questions, probe for appropriate information, and understand the underlying need. Express verbal and written information clearly and professionally, strong critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Demonstrate ability to work in multiple administrative systems to locate information, investigate, and resolve questions. Ability to be self-sufficient, manage time in a scheduled work environment, and work well with other team members. Basic knowledge of Microsoft Office, including Word, Excel, and email tools. Understanding the sensitivity of customer data and demonstrate the ability to protect both customers and business information. So the required education and experience is a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of customer service experience, demonstrated career stability or equivalent military experience. If you feel like you're the perfect fit for this particular job, I want to remind you that this is an $18 an hour job with a $3,000 sign-on bonus. They also provide equipment and paid training. Is a customer service position. And if you feel like you're the perfect fit for this, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. And if it's not for you, or if you're looking for more best remote work from home jobs just for you, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.